Turns out traditional media isn't dead quite yet. Not that any of my listeners ever had a doubt. They're used to getting world-class content on a regular basis. But I'm, of course, talking about Screwball and her live-streaming band of bandits finally getting yanked off the air, or the web, whatever. The point is, we can all once again rest easy knowing we don't have to live in constant crippling fear of the awful sound of a so-called internet personality spewing nonsensical acronyms into the Ethernet. Internet! Whatever! How is this for a meme, Screwball? Goodbye! What do you mean that's not a meme? Of course it is, I just made it one.
The entrance to his hideout must be somewhere close by. Rockets? Why is it always rockets with you guys?
You're a dead man! Don't let him leave here alone! Take him out! Get up, quick! I'll mess you up!
We really need to talk about rocket launcher reform. Huh, must be underground. Guess it's time for some...
All units, officers are engaged in a standoff with armed Maggia. Need officers on scene in the financial district.
Can we all please fight somewhere other than next to a leaking fuel tanker? That could have ended badly. But it didn't, so no risk, no reward, I guess. Signal's coming from somewhere around here. Ugh, that's a new smell. Yuck. Hope I find Sable before the fumes overwhelm her. If I can get through this without getting wet, That'd be a win. Hello? This is so cool. Hey! Whoa, look at this place. The amount of work it takes to make this city run is just crazy. I'll never take fresh water for granted again. Well, guess I'll just go with the flow. Okay, let's see where this leads. Looks like some loose bricks up ahead. Ah, nice. Okay, onward. Hammerheads, guys. They've taken over an abandoned subway platform. Gotta take these guys out, then look around for Sable.
What the?
And you're done.
How many more of these things we can fit down here?
What's the main issue? Power?
Yeah, it's only a matter of time before the city finds out how many people off the subway.
Then we'll grease some arms into one. Make sure we're left alone.
Maybe, but there's also a problem with space. I mean,
Are you sure you know what you're doing? Why do you keep asking me that? Because it doesn't look like you know what you're doing. I'm assessing the situation. You've been assessing for like the last 10 minutes. This is delicate equipment, okay? One wrong move and this whole generator's fried. Boss would be mighty upset if that happens. Exactly. Why are you being careful and assessing? Got it? Boss would also be upset if somebody said they knew how to fix something when they really didn't. Fine.
Hey, you wanna know what I've been thinking? Not really. I was thinking, we need an insurance policy. For what? So boss said once we take over this Sable business, we all get a cut of the profits.
Yeah?
Well, what if he don't?
What do you mean? He said he would. Boss is good on his word.
Yeah, but what if all this Project Olympus stuff is getting into his head? I mean, he's only human and...
ain't we feeling so?
Nah, depends on your perspective. My kid, I'm a hero.
Yeah, I guess. Same with my mother.
Something...
You're just not very observant.
Okay, I didn't imagine that.
Oh, sorry, did I startle you?
See? We're all heroes. Just in different ways. Know what I mean?
Yeah. So, let me look at this some more.
Oh, the jig is up. Better make this quick.
Oh, no! You're going down!
The boss says it's guard!
Okay, that's all of them. Now, I bet if I follow the power cables, I'll find where they're holding Sable. I should follow the power cables. Looks Looks like they've jacked into the subway's power line somehow. Hope that's not a load-bearing subway car. Nice. Okay, follow the yellow wire. Better not find any lions, tigers, or bears. Oh, tunnel's blocked. But I think I can still squeeze through. Body bags? Well, this just took a turn.
With this one?
What do you mean, what happened? He died inside the thing, like the other guy.
Who was it?
Don't remember his name. Sal's cousin, I think.
Was it messy?
Nah, he just came out all blue. I think he stopped breathing in there or something.
Did you hook up the oxygen line like I said?
Yeah. I mean, I think so.
Boss ain't gonna like hearing, I think so.
Then forget I said it. And I'll forget you were drinking on the job yesterday.
What do you mean? That was coffee.
Sure didn't smell like coffee.
Hey, who's there?
Gotta do this quick, and then find Sable. Let's play the quiet game.
Somebody there?
This place looks like their main base of operations. Project Olympus. These pods require...
I told you, I just helped manufacture these things. I didn't design them. Guess we got the wrong guy then. On the bright side, now we got our first test subject. No! No! Don't turn it on! Please! Just give me a few minutes. I can figure it out. Now that's what I like to hear.
I should have a look around, see what I can learn. XRT-89. Subterranean Troop Deployment Vehicle. That's the real name? I'm sticking with Dig Boy.
All this stuff belongs to Sable? Yeah, most of it's overseas, though. What are you thinking, boss? I'm thinking about how she took over the whole city in a matter of days. You mean back during that Devil's Breath thing? Yeah, that was crazy. Not so crazy when you got the right equipment. Well, we got those digging things. Not good enough. If we want the best stuff, we're gonna need her. Yeah, okay. How are we gonna do that? Just keep taking her stuff. She'll come to us.
So this is where these guys work, huh? No windows, smells like a sewer, psychotic boss. Basically, your typical office job.
That cop almost killed me. I thought you said I'd be indestructible.
I said almost indestructible. After all, you're still human.
Then make me less human.
I'm not sure what you mean.
I mean what I said. Now get to work.
No sign of Sable. I really don't want to check those body bags. Maybe there's still some tunnel I missed. Sable jetpacks. I'd pay good money to see Hammerhead's guys learning to fly in these things for the first time. Whoa. If Hammerhead gets his hands on this thing, we're in serious trouble. Sable. Sounds like she's close. There. The only way out is through. High voltage wires and sewer water. What could possibly go wrong? If there's one takeaway from this underground lair thing, it's that Hammerhead should have fewer thugs with guns and a lot more safety inspectors.
Every minute I am here is another nail in your coffin. I will never give you what you want.
Yes, you will.
You came back for me. Why?
Because I need you.
I work alone.
I used to say the same thing. I know what's happening in Symkaria. I know why this means so much to you.
You think you know, but you do not know.
What can I do to make you trust me? Look, I think I know how we can take down that monster, but I can't do it alone.
Damn it! He let her loose!
Okay, here's the plan. Good plan. To have you on my side for once.
Shut up and fight!
You gotta work on your fight banter, though.
How's he find us? Here comes the pain! Watch it! They're working together!
Hey, Sable, where did you learn to fight?
On the streets of Symkaria!
Yeah? I learned from watching movies. We should compare notes.
Oh my God, let's go!
boy, of course!
Did you say big boy?
Yeah! Way better than the real name, don't you think? You asked for it! Like fish in a barrel.
I'll teach you.
Your weapons are effective in combat. You must teach me how to use them.
I wish I could, but it's a whole big intellectual property thing.
Wait till the boss sees this.
A thing of beauty. Hey, Sable, no lethal force, okay?
Don't let him get you! Here comes the pair!
Your weapons are effective in combat. You must teach me how to use them.
That was a big boy, of course!
Did you say big boy?
Yeah! Way better than the real name, don't you think?
You're gonna pay for that! Boss, this is your guard!
Kinda nice to have you on my side for once.
Shut up and fight.
You gotta work on your fight banter, though. Never touches the ground. Hey, Sable, where did you learn to fight?
On the streets of Symkaria.
Yeah? I learned from watching movies. We should compare notes. That was awesome! High five!
You said you could defeat Hammerhead.
You, know you left me hanging, right?
There are medical records in here.
Yeah, mostly about that metal plate in his head.
Carbon steel.
Super strong, pretty sensitive to...
Heat. have an idea.
I solemnly swear to do whatever you tell me to.
I will call soon.
Ow. But yeah. Guess I'll do some Spidey work while I wait for Sable's call. Hey, what's that? What's with all the yellow stuff? Huh. Is this some weird street artist thing? A police report. Looks like someone was killed during a mugging, but nothing was stolen. What's with the audio recorder?
So, you have some work-related stress. Well, you came to the right place. That's my specialty.
So they tell me.
Give me some more specifics about how you're feeling.
Guess you could say I put a lot of pressure on myself. I like to be the best. Plus, I have a very demanding boss.
And what kind of work do you do?
Everything here stays confidential, right?
Of course.
Good. Because if any of this gets out, you're a dead man.
The case file says 1 of 9. There must be more of these out in the city. There's a bunch of GPS coordinates here. I love treasure hunts, but something tells me I'm not gonna find a chest full of gold at any of these places. I think I'm close to another crime scene.
Holding everybody up!
Hey, Peter. Just letting you know I haven't left the house.
Glad to hear it. What's up?
I've been listening to the police radio, and there's stuff happening all over the city, like constantly.
Pretty overwhelming, isn't it?
How do you do it? I mean, you can't be everywhere at once.
Remember what May used to say, you help someone, you help everyone.
Yeah, but I never really understood what she meant.
Okay. You know that lady that came in to feast the other day with her 2 kids?
The one who just got evicted?
Yeah. After she found a job and was about to move into her new place, she told me, as soon as I get my first paycheck, I'm sending as much as I can back to the shelter.
So we helped her, and now she wants to help others. Helping is like a force multiplier.
Exactly.
May was pretty great, wasn't she?
The greatest. I'm gonna send you an address as soon as I'm done with all this, so stay ready. And bring those web shooters with you.
Finally!
Yo, taxi! Taxi over here!
Another police report. And another audio recorder.
Can I get another?
This looks familiar. I think it's the last known location of a Maggia informant who disappeared a few months ago.
I'm feeling a little uncomfortable. I think we should end the session.
Sorry, Doc. I didn't mean to scare you. I've just been paranoid lately. Like I said, stressful job.
Okay. Tell me a little bit more about your job. Describe a typical day.
Typical day. Guess it starts with waking up, checking my phone, see what the boss wants me to hit that day. Then I go grab breakfast. I've been trying to do that keto thing, you know? Then I do the hits. Sometimes it's messy, so I gotta head home and clean up. I try to get to the gym in the afternoon, then dinner and
Sorry, can you go back for a moment? What does do a hit mean exactly?
It means I kill who my boss tells me to. I'm pretty good at it by now. Got quite the resume.
This guy sounds like a Maggia enforcer. Feels like this is just part of the story. I should keep an eye out for more scenes like this. I should be close. Whoever's setting up these scenes really likes the color yellow. Let's hear what the recorder has to say.
So what do you think, Doc?
Well, clinically, you're a sociopath. You have no remorse for your actions. You clearly are not stressed. I doubt you think there's actually anything wrong with you. So, why did you really come see me today?
You're smart. I like that. Okay, let's get right to it then. You do what I tell you, and I won't kill your family.
Whoa.
You want to get right to it? Okay then. I know why you're really here. I knew who you were the minute you walked in that door. And I also know that before I do anything for you, you're gonna do something for me.
Well, that took a turn. These crime scenes all feel like covers for Maggia hits. And if the guy on the tape is a Maggia enforcer, maybe he's the one who killed all these people.
I am ready. Meet me at my base.
I've been meaning to ask, how exactly do you have a base in the city that I don't know about? Right. Good talk. Why is she always hanging up on me? Maybe she didn't hang up on purpose. We probably just got disconnected. She could be waiting for me to call her back. Or she could be running out of minutes on her cell phone plan. I mean, she's probably doing international roaming. That stuff is expensive. Or maybe she just really needed to polish her pistols. Let's apply Occam's razor. The simplest and most obvious solution is... she hates me. Logic takes the fun out of everything. The entrance to his hideout must be somewhere close by. There's the entrance. Clever. Hi, David. Think I found the last hideout.
Great work.
So, I was thinking, maybe we should store the caches at a local police precinct, just for safekeeping.
I would prefer to safeguard them myself.
I get the sense you're not telling me something.
I had a work visa with Sable International. It became invalid when I quit. Even an IT check right now could be immediate deportation. I merely wish to finish this one task, and then I will go.
Maybe I could help you with the whole immigration thing.
Do not worry for me. This was my choice. and I have no regrets.
I mean, like, in life. Seriously.
I know, I should have called first.
I think I kind of fell in with the wrong crowd, maybe.
This shift is taking forever. Yeah. Why do we need this many guys to guard green medicine or whatever? Medicine's expensive. Which means we want it. You think there's some food in there? Some dried fruit or jerky or something?
Thought I'd get stuck with you. Okay.
People around here work.
Man down! Get Spider-Man! It's right there! We're gonna pound your face in! How the hell did he find us?
You guys live underground now? What's the rent like? Asking for a friend. Hi, MJ. Can I ask a huge favor?
Sure, what's up?
Remember that story you did on the shortage of teachers in the city? Well, you know someone who might be a good fit. If he had a visa.
I think some of the supers are offering H-1Bs based on credentials. Send me his info and I'll call around.
Boss sends his regard! I'm putting you in the car! How'd he do that? Careful! We're losing guys left and right!
That guy's hiding in an underground lair. You guys know you're walking cliches, right?
I'll teach you respect!
I'm curious. You guys get food delivered. Do they just drop it down a sewer drain or what? Bring it down! What's up? A thing of beauty.
I'll break your friggin' jaw! That's it! He ain't getting out of here alive!
You sound angry. Must be the lack of sunlight.
I can handle this clown!
we're done.
This ends now!
Boy, I sure hope so. You guys are terrible hosts.
Out.
No. I mean, like, in life.
No talking during the infiltration.
Seriously.
Seriously.
What happened?
No. Okay. Proud baby.
This shit's taking forever. I know I should get breakfast.
Yeah, wish we got to see some action. Cops are never gonna touch this place.
That's not good!
Fighters around. Somebody
I see him! It's Spider-Man! One guy! Man down! I'll break your friggin' jaw! Watch out! We'll lose the men! Will he find us?
You guys live underground now? What's a red light? Asking for a friend. What's up? Okay, now I'm just showing off.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, MJ. Can I ask a huge favor?
Sure, what's up?
Remember that story you did on the shortage of teachers in the city? Well, I know someone who might be a good fit. If he had a visa.
I think some of the supers are offering H-1Bs based on credentials. Send me his info and I'll call around.
He keeps jumping around! I'll teach you respect!
I'm curious. When you guys get food delivered, do they just drop it down a sewer drain or what? Say goodnight. You sound angry. Must be the lack of sunlight.
Kill him! This ends now!
Boy, I sure hope so. You guys are terrible hosts.
There you are! This stuff's nasty! You see that?
Okay. Those humanitarian supplies should be around here somewhere. Time to find that stash of humanitarian aid. There are the supplies. David, the final supply caches are secure.
Thank you. I will take them all to the Symkarian embassy and make sure the aid is delivered.
Let me know if there's anything else I can do to help.
I will. And thank you once more, Spider-Man.
Guess that's it. Hope MJ can pull some strings for him.
Can I get a selfie? Could you, like, do something? Huh?